What's up, guys? We're back with another video. Bueno, guys, we're on top of this build right here, the green one, al viejón, que se la va a estar regalando a su hijo, guys, in like November, December. For the new subscribers that are out there watching us, they hit us up for this truck. You guys will be like, you already said it. I know, but we got new subscribers, you know, subscribing to the channel. You know, the viejón called us. He was like, viejo, tengo una troca, se la quiero arreglar. You know, I want you to fix it. Yo quiero que usted la arregle. And I want you to put your sauce in the truck. You know, guys? So we already did the cam. Ya le hicimos el cam. We already installed some headers actually today. Shout out to compa Ryan and shout out to compa Güero. That Güero is the one that actually, guys, installed them and did the whole work on it too también. Well, right now, guys, we're actually on our way to Team MPE. Why? Team MPE is the exhaust shop where they're gonna be putting the mufflers. They wanna put los mufflers. We're gonna be doing the side, probably the side exhaust on the side, like the lining side, like the, actually like the 16.
Oh, the side exhaust?
Yeah. Yeah, pinche truca está aguanta. Igual que el dueño, ¿no? But yeah, like the side exhaust, guys, we're gonna be doing it on this one. And then from there, we were gonna put it on the trailer, guys. Pero la troca de Güero está en la traila. And I told him Güero bring it down. Güero's lazy. He's like, no, que this and that. Whatever. He said he likes it for being on top of the trailer. Why, Güero?
I like how it looks in the trailer.
Oh, it just looks badass, like a race truck?
Yeah.
Because you got racing tires on there?
No, just because.
Güero, yeah, Güero, not as kidding, guys. But yeah, guys, so we're going to be driving the truck from here all the way to South Central. It's South Central, right?
Yeah, South Central.
South Central. I think that's where it's at. La troca ahorita, guys, está ridículo. Es un ridículo right now. It's just too loud. It's just too damn loud, guys. Se oye demasiado fuerte la pinche troca ahorita. But we're gonna risk it for the biscuit. We're gonna be driving it to the gas station right now porque ahorita no tiene nada de gas. So we're gonna be driving it to the gas station about like 3 blocks up right here from my house. And then from there, we're gonna be driving it all the way to Los Angeles, South Central area that way. Probably about like a 20-25 minute drive right on the street.
Yeah, like 25, 30.
And, freeway.
It's the same thing.
You know what? We're gonna take it in the street, guys. We're gonna be driving it over there. And hopefully, we're praying that we do not get stopped. Que no nos den un pinche ticket for loud exhaust or something. And if they do, pues el Güero lo paga. ¿Sí o no, Güero?
Me?
Sí, no?
I guess. I don't pay.
Mando tu pinche vape, pues.
I don't.
Everything on the video.
I don't pay. I don't even pay my tickets, bro. I have like a couple ones.
All right, guys. Well, I'm gonna aquí guys para aquí están. Let's go. All right, guys. First startup. La troca and it's loud. Chinga su madre. Bueno, we're gonna be pinche mosca, hija tu pinche madre. We're gonna be stranded, bro. It's marking no gas. Vámonos. Ah, this shit's loud, huh, Güero?
It's loud. I don't know if you guys hear it, but.
Yeah. Do you hear me?
I think so, a little bit.
Do you?
Yeah. Does it have gas? Oh, it don't have gas.
No, I have no gas. Well, when we make it to the gas station. Damn, this thing is loud, way. Straight headers? Hopefully we don't catch it on fire. Hey, well, did you connect everything in the bottom? Como debe que ser?
Everything's connected.
All right. Guys, I don't know if you guys can hear me, but el compa Backyard actually hit me up también today because he seen the video where that started. We gotta fix that too. It's supposed to be backwards. It has starlights, but no más. I don't know. We find no switch in here, guys. Turn them on. So he actually hit me up. He's like, hey, my boy, you bring it to Ramon. Try to bring it to me, and after Ramon's, we're gonna fix the starlights, the door, whatever little stuff has to get done. I don't know, guys. What do you guys think? Should we redo the seats and everything in the truck, or leave it the way it is? They're kind of cool, but they do need to be like redone or something. No, what? I feel like they're covers.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, huh?
Yeah.
The covers. You can take it off and see the bottom seats. You know, pues we'll get them redone. Look, you see right there? Right there.
Hey, not right there, just right here.
Oh yeah, we gotta fix the sunroof too, porque no está sirviendo, guys. Mira, no está sirviendo the front and back. Nomás if you push it on one, se abre para arriba, and then two goes all the way back. No te pagues, hija tu pinche madre. No te pagues.
Oh, you gotta fix that too, the pillar.
Oh yeah, the pillar. Oh yeah. Well, Backyard's gonna be fixing these. Way they're gonna fix all these. This. I think this goes backwards or something. He's gonna fix all this, and then I do have a cover, guys, for right here for the top. You see right here it's broken.
Oh yes,
Right here it's broken. So I'll probably have Güero swap it. This is literally like 2-3 minutes. Like 2-3 minutes you can do this, no, Güero?
It's easy.
But I don't even know if they can hear us, bro. What were you talking like pendejos?
Hopefully they can.
Hopefully they can. Espera ahorita. We're on the way right to the gas station real quick.
All right, guys, we're pulling up now to station, and I don't think this thing's gonna make it inside. It's bogging out. Oh!
No,
What happened? It turned off.
Se apagó.
Give it gas.
Se apagó, bro.
I'm gonna have to get off and push it. Hey, hold the brake.
Oh, it's going back.
Put it in park.
Hopefully it just gets like one little last startup and just push it forward. Ready, set, go.
Go, 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 go.
We made it. All right, guys, we're already pumped. Chinga su madre. Wait, did we even pump?
I think you did. I hope you did.
I did. I put like 30, 40 bucks. A ver. Vámonos. Bueno, guys, we're already pumped some fuel on the truck, and now we're on our way to the exhaust shop. Right, Widow?
Yeah, exhaust.
All right, guys, so the truck right now is on a bass tune. Shout out to Josh for actually putting a bass tune on the truck right now. Like I said, it's on a bass tune because it still needs to get the, the headers, the exhaust, to the side, and after that, he starts to connect the wideband. It's called, no? You connect the wideband, you put it in the computer, you run it. Right now, the check engine light, it's on because I think the motor came off. Did it? No, guys, the motor's still there. And there's this little guy right here looking at me with his hat sideways. You seen it, Widow? Right here, look. Little guy.
Oh,
look,
yeah.
Closer. Look. This little guy with little...
Oh, the little
eyeballs.
the ojitos in the hat sideways?
Yeah. But like I was saying, guys, he has to put the wideband and still running up and down the street and tune it right. That's why ahorita está pagando y está all this sounding all crazy. But we'll get that done as soon as possible. But for right now, we're on our way to the exhaust shop. Team MPE. Ahí les vamos. Damn, guys, this truck is hella loud, oi. Why you get scared, la viejona? Salúdala. Te mandó a la ñonga. Ya mandó a la ñonga también, ¿no? A otro. Vale chichi de gallina, ¿no? Está dando vuelta, dile. You're tired, está dando vuelta. Your llanta, ¿qué? Está dando vuelta.
Es un chinito. How can I communicate with them?
Oh. Your dona, dile, your dona. Your dona is boom, boom, boom. ¿Cómo? Boom. ¿Cómo? Ajá, just like that. Guys, que le digo, pinche hora está bien guay. But yeah, guys, we're on the road right now with this loud ass truck. Ah, atrévete, pendejo, mira. Pata pinche madre. Alright, guys, we're gonna show you. This is the way cars are parked in the hood. Show them,
What the hell?
Oh, I think they just borrowed the rims, no?
It looks like they just borrowed the rims.
Guys, when you guys are in the hood and you guys see that, mind your own business. They just, someone had to borrow some rims. Someone probably got a flat. They're doing a good deed. They took them off. They're gonna bring them back later. Wait, do you think little or no?
I hope so. Oh.
And guys, we're only like 2 minutes away. That's right there in the corner. Another chota right there, look. Oh, ese sí volteó, güey. ¡Ay, viene el car! And then, like that, guys, it has no compression. Like your motor does not run right. You have to have like some dump downs or an exhaust oil.
Yeah, to get back pressure in the motor.
Back pressure.
To get the full power of the motor, basically.
Yep. How do you know that, bro?
I used to be a mechanic.
Oh, you used to be a mechanic?
I went to UEI, UTI, whatever you call that for school, mechanic school.
UTI, you have a UTI, fool.
What is that?
Huh?
UTI.
You have a UTI in your urine.
Oh, I don't know what that is, but yeah.
Oh, it's right here, though?
It's right here, right there. Right there.
Oh, it is right here. Don't get there.
No, you're good. Dale.
launcher right here no more. Oh, look, now it wants to close. No me regañe, jefe, no hice nada malo. Oh, cheers, man. Alright, guys, so they're gonna be putting that one in real quick, and then after that, probably us. It's our time to go on the rack.
Too much exhaust fumes, bro.
What?
Exhaust fumes.
Your eggs are crying?
Yeah.
Well, y'all guys, truck is here at TMP. They're gonna be doing the exhaust, the lightning exhaust, no?
Yeah, that's
guys,
it.
we're gonna be checking on the exhaust tips right now. What exhaust tips we put on there? What is gonna be testing them before we put them on the truck, right?
Yeah.
All right, so let's go check out the exhaust tips. All right, guys. Well, they got all these exhaust tips right here. These are all badass right here. Oh, some side ones like this right here, be badass. Or some colorful ones. What do you guys think? Or some carbon fiber ones. Oh, black tips. Oh, black tips. Oh, these chrome tips or black chrome tips. Oh, yeah, black chrome. They look badass. Look at what over there testing them. Look at Widow, guys. He's testing them over here. Look. Oh, these are badass. Hey, Widow. What's up with these here, bro? Is that a 3 or a 2? Oh, test it. Oh, damn. Oh, that one's deeper. The bottom one's deeper. Yeah, the bottom one's deeper. What about this one here? That one sounds kind of manly, bro. Kind of. Looks manly. Oh, shit, bro. You like that one? Nah, that one, nah, not really. What about that one right there? Oh, no, that's too girly, fool. What about that one right there? The small one, Oh, the small one. I think the small one sounds badass. Oh, it's like a chorombra, no? Like those girls trying to be guys. Oh, that one sounds badass, fool. Sounds alright. Too small? What about this one right here? I think that's the custom one right there, fool. That one's custom, huh? Let me see. Eso parece un pinche perro ladrando, güey. Un pinche chango, güey. Oh, which is that one? That one's on squared. Oh, that one has like a misfire, fool. It does. Misfire. Inga, se me quebraste el pinche video, güey. Oh, yeah. Low compression. I don't know. I'm into that one right there. Oh, that one comes with turbo? It's diesel? Oh, that one's diesel. That one is diesel, bro. That one's diesel. Hey, what about this one right here, fool? What about that one? I think that one sounds bad, fool. That one.
Oh no. Ese no.
A ver, otra vez, ¿cómo hizo?
Ese no.
Ese no, ¿verdad? No. Ese sí no. Hey, stop playing, fool. What tip we gonna get? I know what tip I like.
That one.
Which one?
That one.
You want this tip?
Double cabeza.
Doble cabeza? I think that one. We're gonna go with that one. A ver, let's hear it before you put it on. Oh yeah, that one. Perfect. Yeah, all right, guys. I think we're gonna be going with that one. Hey, they got more over there. Fool, look, the Corvette tips. Oh, we gotta check these out over here. Oh, damn. Look at that one right there, Widow. How do you think that one's heavy? How do you think it'll sound? Oh, no. Two racer. That one's two racer. What about this? Oh, look at this one. More like a Corvette, huh? No. Nah, I think I'm gonna go with that one over there, fool. Yeah, the dual tips. The bottom one's sounding two racer, huh? Oh, look, they got a coffin one. Look, the coffin.
No, pues ese no hace ruido, está muerto.
Huh?
Ese no hace ruido, está muerto.
Está muerto. They got a coffin. What the hell is this? For like a Kia or no? Like a Kia? Venga su madre.
Está allá por la casa, güey, ya llegó.
Yeah? You know what, fool? I think we're gonna be going with this one.
Okay.
Perfect. Let me see. Hold it the other way. Yeah, we're gonna be going with this one right here on the side. Let's go see how it looks in the truck. Take it on the truck. It goes on. What side? This side, no? Yeah, right there. Perfect. Nah, more back, fool. That's too forward. More in, no? Oh, yeah, right there. That's too low? Yeah, huh? Or if we can get them as close as we can to the top, right there.
But just consider how low the trunk is, bro.
Yeah, huh? Well, the truck's not gonna be. It's not gonna get no more lower than that. It's just gonna. We're just gonna fix the suspension because the suspension's messed up. But other than that, what do you think? What right there? Yeah, the side pipe, huh?
Yeah, right there or to the back.
Nah, I hit up the viejon. He said the side pipe will be badass. He said like the blue truck. So on the side. All right, guys. So we're gonna be going with the side exhaust because the truck's not gonna go lower. Because if it does go lower, well, the exhaust valió. Chichis de gallina, ¿no? Míralo. Oh, okay. Ya digo como por ahí. Right there, no, pretty good.
That looks cool right there.
On point. What are you doing over there, bro?
Huh?
What are you doing?
I was eating. Maruchan.
Already, bro?
Alright.
Oh, ¿ya te lo acabaste?
Duh.
Oh.
I was hungry.
Huh?
I was hungry.
Well, you ate all the food, leftover food at my house.
That was earlier though.
And then we stopped, get to McDonald's.
That was earlier too.
Guys, the pounds that I'm losing, little gaining.
I've only gained like 2 pounds.
I've lost about 20 pounds, I think.
20?
25 pounds. I don't know, I forgot how much I've lost, but I lost
Like-
a couple of pounds.
25.
¿Ya me puedo ver el chile, güey?
No, now you can see it.
Yeah.
Oh.
I can always see it.
Oh. I thought you weren't able to.
Huh?
I thought you weren't able
Do
to.
you?
Now when it's cold, it hides.
You know, Wiz Khalifa. ¿Sí es, no?
I think so.
Sí. ¿Cómo anda, viejo? Alright, guys, pues así quedó el jale. They went all the way from the header all the way to a white pipe, all the way to a MagnaFlow, and to a side exhaust. Bam, right there. Let me show it to you guys real quick. ¿Cómo quedó? Damn, that shit came out badass. Hell yeah. Look, guys, this is what I was talking about, the suspension that has to get redone. I don't know what's up with this. Oh, goddamn, get this out the way. But this is not right. This underbend notch, whatever they did, is not right. It's hitting right there on the diff. That's not right at all. That has to get done. Like this side too, look. I don't know who the hell did this, but whoever did it, damn, y'all gotta check your work. You don't know mas. And then I think the diff, guys, is actually pushed all the way back. It's supposed to be centered. Oh yeah, and then the pumpkin right here, is the pitting angle, it's up. It's supposed to be more down. Like more down. And then the more down it is, the less it goes inside the thing right here. Oh damn, this shit's about to fall off. I think so. It looks all messed up. But yeah, guys, this truck needs a lot of help, a lot of TLC. All right, guys, Guido's gonna be doing the honor to turn it on for the first time. Oh damn, it sounds nice. Hella nice. It sounds literally super deep. Oh, you good? Go. I don't know if the video does justice. He's gonna put some ramps because I think the exhaust is gonna hit right there. Oh yeah, guys, he put a piece of wood. Ahí quedó. Hell yeah, it sounds real good. We're gonna have Guido right now rev it, guys. Rev it. Go, step on it, step on it. Rev it again. It sounds hella good. Hey, wait, it's throwing a little ball of fires. Yeah, yeah. Sounds hella good way. I need a truck to sound like this way. Like, what?
Do you like your truck to sound?
No sea mamón. Pues bueno, se dicho. Vámonos a la casa, ¿no ya? Vámonos. Alright guys, so we already had came back from Team MP from doing the whole exhaust system. We had came home and we were actually on our way taking the truck to Church of LS so el compa Josh could give it the last little tune, guys, you know, to get it running good. But apparently something happened. You guys will get to see that on the next vlog. And yeah guys, we have the trailer right here connected con la troca de mi compa Güero. Stay tuned on the next vlog, guys. Alright guys, with this says, and for the video, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to comment and like and subscribe. We out.